rare stumble for Elon Musk's ambitious satellite internet venture, Starlink briefly went offline early Monday, leaving tens of thousands without service, including critical military operations in Ukraine. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. According to Outage tracker downdetector.com, the blackout peaked with over 43,000 users in the US reporting issues. But the impact wasn't just domestic. In Ukraine, the entire frontline reportedly lost Starlink access around 7 a.m., a potentially dangerous disruption, giving the system's key role in drone operations and battlefield communications. Ukrainian drone commander Robert Brovdy took to Telegram to confirm the outage, noting that connectivity began to return within half an hour. The brief blackout, though, served as a stark reminder of how dependent critical systems have become on private tech systems like Starlink. Operated by Musk's SpaceX, Starlink functions by a network of low Earth orbit satellites, providing high-speed internet even in the world's most remote or war-torn areas. It's just been hailed as a game-changer, not just for rural connectivity, but for real-time communication in global conflict zones. Shortly after the outage began, Starlink acknowledged the issue publicly, stating, "Starlink is currently experiencing a service outage. Our team is investigating." Although the number of complaints had fallen below 1,000, suggesting the issue had been largely resolved, while Starlink is back online, the incident raises pressing questions. What happens when one private network becomes this important and this vulnerable on a global scale? Share your thoughts in the comments. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.